Fridge? Is that the app we're looking at today?
Yeah.
All right. Can you press it for me? Peekaboo Fridge is part of this series that includes Peekaboo Barn. This is another little great app, again showing kids cause and effect, but also teaching them about all the yummy things that are in the refrigerator.
Pickle.
Like pickles.
I don't like pickles.
No, you don't like pickles. Let's close the door and see what's next.
Oh, yeah. I don't like eggs.
You like eggs. You love eggs. Who's next?
I don't like cheese.
You love cheese too. The app itself is $1.99, but it does come in what's
I
called
don't like
a Peekaboo package.
I don't like. Whoa! Nana!
It includes 5 apps.
Nana!
That include Peekaboo Barn. There's a Halloween one. There's a Christmas one.
There's Christmas.
There's a, I think there's another animal one. I will include those in this video. Here's the Peekaboo Party package. The very first one on the list is the Peekaboo Barn, and if you want all of them, you can buy them for $5.99. Funny little cat clock with moving eyes that Tristan usually gets quite a kick out of. Ooh, you love little trees, don't you?
I don't love these.
You like to eat little broccolis.
I don't love buggies.
Look at me. You
Yucky.
like broccoli.
Yucky. Yucky.
You like broccoli.
Juice.
Juice, what is that, Tristan?
Juice.
Juice.
Night juice.
Good night, Juice. Is it time for them to go good night?
Yes.
And at the end, when he's gone through all of the fruits and veggies and foods in the fridge, they all go to sleep and take a nap. Shh, sleepy time. All right, can you say thanks for watching, everyone?
Thank you for watching, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
All right.